I'm in Video Pro X14, and we're going to look at the mixer problem. Open the mixer. I'm going to turn on mastering, turn on the limiter, so the button is highlighted. Now I will try to add something to the effect. Click on it, mastering turns off. So if I select the compressor, all right, that's turned on. If I now select mastering, the effect turns off. Okay, so I'll select this. All right, it's on. Great. If I select it again, it turns off. Everything's off. And I'll do it again. So it's on. I'll save the project. I'll open up a new project. And I'll go back to the previous one. Open the mixer. It's turned on. The mastering is turned on. Click on it. It turns off. That's it.